So lately people have been predicting a resurgence in summer COVID, a couple of asteroids have almost hit the planet, Elon Musk is doing Elon Musk stuff, so I'd say we're going pretty good for August. Now, if you're like me and you're wondering what the next big horrible thing to go wrong is, well, let me tell you that bacterial invasions aren't just limited to science fiction movies anymore. They're real, and now they're a pressing concern in today's world. Fun! Research from North Carolina State University and UNC Greensboro discovered how chiggers, which are also known as Trombiculid mites, are carriers of bacteria pathogens. Woohoo! Go 2023! Okay, these small invaders have the power to cause damage to our well-being, and it's possible that we're unaware of just how dangerous they can be, because if they weren't dangerous, you wouldn't be here. Scientists have been tirelessly exploring these organisms to uncover the hidden secrets that have been covered up until now. Their discoveries are not surprising to us, but they do provide insights into the nature of these bacteria and open up new possibilities for finding innovative ways to protect humans from their harmful effects. These tiny little invaders have the potential to wreak massive havoc on all of our collective health, and we may just be completely ignorant of their deadly capabilities. You see, scientists have been constantly pushing boundaries and unraveling the secrets of these microscopic invaders. And their findings will not only shock you, shed light on the nature of these bacteria, but also pave the way for innovative solutions to combat their harmful effects on humans. So let me take a moment to paint this very scary picture for you. Bacterial invasions have always been a topic of concern, but there are still so many mysteries waiting to be discovered. So, what are these tiny little creatures called chiggers? Well, chiggers are mites from the family of the arachnid, which are also known as the red bugs or berry bugs. These mites focus on humans and animals when they're in their six-legged larval phases. At this stage, they dig into the flesh of humans and animals, even though they aren't poisonous, but their bite can make you scratch like hell. These tiny little monstrosities may be small in size, just like mosquitoes, but their effect cannot be ignored. Anybody who's ever walked through a field in summer in a pair of shorts knows what I'm talking about. In case you didn't know, these little jerks are more annoying than mosquitoes, especially since they can create significant issues. When it comes to infestations and their role as carriers, their bites aren't just only painful, but also itchy and annoying. Maybe you could tell that I've had my fair share of run-ins with these little pests. Anyway, understanding their habitat and behavior is critical for avoiding and managing these infestations. See, they thrive in warm, humid locations like grassy fields, woodlands, wooded areas, and even your own backyard. These mites are prevalent in locations with long grasses or dense foliage where they can quickly hook onto unsuspecting hosts, much like those raptors in Jurassic Park. As to when these little jerk faces are prevalent, they're most commonly found in the summer and spring when the weather is warm and humid. Scientists at North Carolina State University in Greensboro, North Carolina, have made an incredible discovery while studying the infamous North Carolina Pesty Bug Mites. These tiny creatures are known for causing intense itching and irritation. But what researchers found lurking is that scrub typhus disease, which has never been diagnosed in a person or animal in the United States, according to the researchers, has now been detected in North Carolina, according to a new study by researchers at North Carolina State University and UNC Greensboro 2023. Woohoo! Okay, so this breakthrough has significant implications for public health in the United States, as it do. Okay, so bear with me on this one. It might sound like a samurai, but it's actually bacteria. And it is called Orientia Sudsakamushi. Sounds like a move straight out of a Final Fantasy game. Where was I? Okay, right. This bacteria was discovered on these tiny little chiggers, and it's been linked to scrub typhus, a disease transmitted by mites that causes fever, headache, and rash. Sounds fun. Now, by identifying this, scientists are one step closer to understanding the transmission and prevention of scrub typhus. It's also important to know that the symptoms of scrub typhus disease are similar to Rocky Mountain spotted fever, which sounds like a country song, but it's actually a tick-borne disease that causes fever and a rash, according to researchers in a news release. The research conducted at North Carolina State University showcases the power of scientific exploration and its impact on our daily lives. By shedding light on the microbial world around us, we can kill it. Well, some of it. Regardless, we gain invaluable insights into potential health risks, and that allows us to take proactive measures to protect ourselves. When it comes to bacterial infections, staying informed is key. Understanding the health implications of new bacteria strains is crucial to take preventative measures and protect ourselves from potential risks. Armed with knowledge, we can proactively safeguard ourselves and our loved ones from these unseen threats. Now, if you're not sure if you've got it or not, here are some common symptoms from these little mite bites, which include body aches, headache, rashes, and fever. Here's a lovely little thought for you. Sometimes people that are sick before the bite start to develop organ damage and some bleeding, which, if not quickly handled, it can be a very dangerous issue. The research carried out by North Carolina State University revealed some common places where scrub typhus disease can be found, and they include Asia, Africa, the Pacific, and the Middle East, and now North Carolina. Which they're not really sure how they spread, if they're spread by people or by the luggage people carry from one location to the other. R. Michael Rowe and Williams Neil Reynolds, who are professors of entomology, said that they're not aware if this spread of the mites has been going on for years without being noticed, or if it's a recent spread. And they're also concerned about knowing if these little infected bugs found in Northern Carolina will cause disease. Currently, no vaccine is available that can prevent scrub typhus, says the CDC, but you can reduce the risk of the disease by staying safe. When traveling where scrub typhus is, take certain precautions like staying away from bushy areas and where there's a lot of plant growth. My personal preference? Carry a flamethrower. Efforts to mitigate the threat posed by these bugs are in full swing, with the focus on tracking and controlling their spread. The use of bacterial contaminant strategies plays a crucial role in ensuring public safety. Monitoring the mite population has become an essential component of these efforts. By closely observing their distribution and abundance, we can better understand their behavior and take necessary actions to prevent further infestations. Collaborative research efforts have also been instrumental in combating the bacterial invasion caused by these little bugs. Scientists, government agencies, and communities are working together to develop effective strategies that can effectively control the spread of these tiny yet troublesome pests. With the collective determination to protect public health, they're making significant strides in tracking and controlling the spread of these bugs. Through ongoing research and collaboration, they aim to create a safer environment for everyone affected by this threat. In conclusion, we gotta stay vigilant against emerging bacterial threats. The rise of antibiotic-resistant bacteria poses a significant risk to public health, and we gotta take immediate action to address this growing concern. So let murder little monster bugs serve as a nice little wake-up call for all of us. Can't afford to be complacent when it comes to bacterial infections. By staying informed and practicing good hygiene habits and supporting efforts to develop new treatments, we can protect ourselves and future generations from the devastating impact of emerging bacterial threats. By staying informed, practicing good hygiene habits, and supporting efforts to develop new treatments, we can protect ourselves and future generations from the devastating impact of emerging bacterial threats. So together, let's remain careful and take some proactive measures to ensure a healthier and safer world for us all. If you like this video, then do me a favor, check out our other content. Just follow the prompt on your screen right now to watch our next educational and entertaining video. And while you're doing that, please remember to subscribe to the channel, and if you're new here, go ahead and give us some thumbs up so we know we're doing a good job.